Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use COUNTIF function in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here persons and number of projects assigned to them. So for example, if you would like to check how many people have 10 projects, we need to click double time on the cell where we want to insert the function, and then I type here equal sign and I type here COUNTIF. Then I open the bracket and I need to select the range of the cells, so I select this range. Now I need to type here comma and type the criteria. So I need to type here 10 because I want to check how many people have 10 projects, and now I close the bracket. Then I press enter, and how you see our result is 2. Of course it is because the Adam has 10 projects and Mark has 10 projects. Remember that you can always change the criteria here. For example, I will click double time here and I will change the criteria to 20. Then I press enter and the result is 1 because only Camille has 20 projects. So in this way you can try to use this function. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.